Alrighty, well, it's week 6 of the blog and week 24 of the actual pregnancy now. And guess what? Guess what's new? We went on another doctor's visit. So fun, correct? Now, on this visit, the doctor suggested that after doing some normal tests and checking how the baby was and whatnot, he suggested that we get a glucose screening. A glucose screening is kind of like a test that doesn't like give a diagnosis, but it's just a test to see whether or not gestational diabetes is present within the pregnant mother of the child. Now, unlike a a glucose tolerance test, a GTT, as it's called apparently, a screening is just something that they use to sort through certain data and whatnot. It doesn't give an actual diagnosis, and it did not. But we did that. We completed the screening, and then he recommended us for a glucose tolerance test to check for gestational diabetes and any other medical mishaps that might occur during the pregnancy. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with a glucose tolerance test, it's basically a test that has several steps. The preparation, the actual test, and then the aftermath. Obviously, the preparation basically is not eating the 8 hours before the test and eating normally before the test for several days, and then the actual test consists of drawing several vials of blood and drawing said blood for the test in order for that to be completed. And as I stated before, this test is actually used to detect whether or not type 2 diabetes might be present within either the mother or the child during the pregnancy. So that about wraps it up. All I can say is the result of all this, the screening was somewhat successful. I don't really know because I'm not a doctor, but we will be going for the test soon. I believe in the next week or so, just to get that out and over with. But yeah, so it's week 6 of the blog and week 24 of the pregnancy, and I guess I'll post when something else comes up.